Today we are reinventing a Mumbai classic Pav Bhaji with two mildly unique twists. One that's melty, indulgent, and perfect for sharing, and another that's fresh, green, and straight from the streets of Surat. So grab your pav, heat that tawa, and let's dive into unique Pav Bhaji recipes you need to try. First is a Pav Bhaji Fondue. Let's start with the bhaji base. For this, heat butter in a pan. Add finely chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and green chillies. Saute till everything is fragrant and lightly brown. Now season with salt, and once the onions turn translucent, add chopped tomatoes and capsicum. Now cook this until the tomatoes soften and start breaking down. Now goes in the magic, Pav Bhaji masala and your dry spices. Cook the masalas for about 2 minutes so they release all their flavor. Now add some water followed by boiled potatoes. Mash everything together really well and let it cook for 4 minutes until the bhaji thickens and comes together beautifully. Now finish with fresh coriander and take it off the heat. Now here's where the fondue twist begins. Add cream and cheese to the bhaji and blend it till completely smooth and silky. This is your Pav Bhaji fondue. Pour it into a fondue pot and keep it warm. And for the pav cubes, cut the pav into bite-sized cubes, saute them in butter till golden and crisp. Finish with coriander and remove from heat. Now serve the hot fondue with pav cubes and vegetable sticks. Garnish with grated cheese, chopped onions, and fresh coriander. Next up, straight from Surat, the vibrant, herby, Surat-style green Pav Bhaji. So we'll start by blanching spinach. In a vessel, add water and salt and bring it to a boil. Add spinach and blanch for 2 to 3 minutes. Now drain immediately and transfer the spinach into ice-cold water. This keeps the color bright and fresh. Now into a mixer blender, add blanched spinach, ginger, garlic, green chilies and a little water. Blend into a smooth green puree and keep it aside. Now heat butter and oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and fry till golden brown. Now add capsicum and cabbage, saute and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add tomato puree, salt, turmeric powder and Pav Bhaji masala. Cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes till the masala is well cooked. Next add green peas and mashed potatoes. Mix well and cook for a bit. Now pour in the spinach puree and mash everything together using a hand masher. Add water if needed. Now sprinkle a little more Pav Bhaji masala and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Finish with extra butter and fresh coriander. Now for the Surat style pav, heat butter in a pan, add red chili powder and chopped coriander. Place slit pav on the pan and roast on both sides till slightly crispy. Now serve the hot green bhaji with buttery pav and extra lemon on the side. From Cheesy Pav Bhaji Fondue to Surat's iconic green Pav Bhaji, this is proof that one dish can have endless personalities. So tell us which one are you trying first in the comments. And if you love experimenting with street food classics, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.